Hello friends and welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. So we are back with another video on this channel, and in this video we will be learning about C++. Like you all know that in previous videos we have covered up the many things about C++, like we have covered up the project video and the tutorial video as well. So in this video we are covering up an amazing tutorial of C++, and in this tutorial I will be telling you what are pointers in C++. Like we have learned about pointers in Python, in JavaScript as well, and I hope you enjoyed that videos. But now we will be learning same pointers in C++, like how we can use pointers in C++, what are the things which we need to implement when we are using this pointers in C++, and all the other stuff I will be telling you about this project or this tutorial you can say, which we are covering up in C++. So I hope you'll be understanding this video from start, and if you understand this video, learn things from this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well so you can get the notifications of all my videos which I'll be uploading in future. Also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things which we are covering up through C++. So you can check out my previous videos which I have covered up of C++, which are tutorial and project video, and with that we have also started the data structure algorithm videos, in which I have telling you that what is the roadmap you can follow when you're starting with C++ and what is DSA in C++ and other things as well. So now what we are waiting for, let's get started with this amazing video of pointers in C++. So in today's video we'll be learning about what are pointers in C++. Like in introduction I've given you some of the introduction things, that what are pointers, how you can use it and all that stuff. So now we'll be starting with this pointers project, or you can say tutorial in C++, and we'll be seeing that what are the things we can use in pointers in C++ and what are the implementation which we will be doing in this tutorial. So now we'll be starting with that. So before creating or before working on this pointer tutorial, we'll be creating a new file in C++. So I'll be giving the file name as pointers, and I will be writing .cpp to save the file in C++ format, and I'll be saving it on desktop. I'll be creating a file, and you can just see this file has been created successfully here in VS Code. If you don't want to use this pointers, means this tutorial in C++, or you have to work with pointers in Python, you can also check out my previous video in which I have covered up the pointers in C++ plus in Python as well. But now we are covering up this pointers in C++ with detailed video, that how you can start pointers in C++ and what are the things. But now if you don't want to use VS Code text editor, you can also work with Replit, like we were using Replit in Python and in C++ as well, and today also we'll be using it in C++. So I'll be moving on to home, and I'll be creating a REPL here, and the REPL I'll be creating will be of C++, and I'll be giving the title here as, you can give here the name as pointers, and I'll be now creating a C++ REPL here. So after creating this REPL, you can start working on this REPL as well, like we have created a file on VS Code as well. You can also use VS Code, or if you want to use C++, you can also use Replit in C++. So now here we have created a REPL in Replit of C++, and now we'll be starting with this. So I'll be zooming in by pressing Control and mouse scroll so I can get the things working here. I'll be closing it, and now I will be writing a starting code here of C++, which is include IOStream, like you all know that. And now you can just see we have written this include IOStream here, and after writing this I will be just simply moving down, and I will be writing using name space std. So you can just see that we have written these all things starting codes, and now we will be using init main, and this init main I will be writing integer, and in integer value I'll be writing a equal to 3, means in integer value we have written one variable of a, and in that variable we have written the value of 3, and secondly we have created another integer value in which we have created another variable with the another value of 4. So these are the two integers in which we have created variables, and in the variables we have given the different values, one of a variable, second is b variable, in which a variable we have given the value of 3, and in b variable we have given the value of 4. Simply I will be now creating another b variable, but not with integer. Now separately we are creating a variable, and in this b variable I'll be giving the and a value like this, which is another value which we have given. And after writing that things, I will be simply doing one thing, I will be moving down, and after moving down I will be now creating a count value, and in this count value I will be creating an address here. So I will be writing the address of a is like this, and then give a space here, and after giving a space I will be now writing here as and a like this, and then I will be writing and l, and you can just see this function has been ended here. And after writing that, I'll be creating another count function in which I will be writing the address of b is, and then again we have written the b value. With that we have closed this value as well. Then I'll be moving down here, and after moving down I will be creating a count value here, and in this count value I will be writing the value. So here I will be writing the value at address b is like this, and then you have to now write like this b and l, and you can just see we have ended this function here. And after ending that here, simply I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be now closing it, and then we have opened this, and after opening that I will be just now closing the value here, not here. So you can just see we have done these all things here like this. So we have closed these things, and now if I just show you here, you can just see these all things will be started working here. And now I will be just doing one thing, like I will be moving down and I will be using init c value. So I will be giving a space and I will be writing c like this. I will be using and b value here, and in this and b value I will be writing a count the address of b is, and then now we will be using the value of c here in this pointer, and we will be ending the function by writing this and l. Again we will be using the count value in which I will be writing the address of b is, but now the value which we will be using is of c, like we have used at the top. So I will be now changing this c value to and b here. And now after doing that here, I will be now just doing one thing, like I will be moving at the top like we have written here. You can just see the value we have written is of b, so I will be changing it to b like this. And when you have just done that, simply you have to move here, and then you have to create this multiply value, and then in that we have created a c value. And then after creating a c value here, I will be now writing like this c, and I will be ending the function by writing end l. So here you have to write end l to end this function, give a space here. So you can just see now we have given the space as well. Then again we will be creating a count value here. In this value I will be writing the value at address c is like this, and then I will be now writing this multiply c sign here, and with that I will be now writing here end l to end this function, and you can just see we have ended this. Now again we will be creating another count value, and in this count value I will be writing the value at address value at c is, and then we have written this two colons with c, and then we have ended the function by writing this end l. So I'll be removing this here, and you can just see the value we have written is perfectly fine, and now in the end we'll be returning the value as 0 so we can get the things working. So simply what we are going to do next is we will be running it in console to see what output we are getting here is. So I will be pressing Control Enter, or you can press the run button as well. So I'll be pressing the run button to get the output, and the output we are getting is error. So error is showing me as it is that we are getting the and here, which is not good, it is saying. So for doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm just here going to remove this b equal to 4, and in this b equal to 4 I will be writing the value as a multiplied by b like this. And now here I will be closing this, and you can just see now we were getting the error is now gone. So simply I will be running it again here to get the value, and you can just see now we are getting the address of a 0x7ffea6b9312c, and the address of b is the address which we have written is same. Then the value of address b is 3, because in value b we have written the multiplication, and in value a we have written the 3, and that is why when we have multiplied a by b, so it is 3 ones are 3, and that is why it is showing me the value of address b as 3, and the other things are same like we have written at the top in the address of a and b. So I hope you understand that what are pointers in C++ and how you can use it in C++. We have also used this pointers in Python, and I hope you enjoyed that video as well, and I hope you enjoyed this video of pointer as well, which we have covered in C++, the same thing. So if you have enjoyed and if you understand this video from start of pointers, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of my all the coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. So just now, what video are you waiting for? Let's meet in you with the next project in C++ and in other languages as well. So for today, goodbye.